Avuxeni maxaka I dyondzo ku hambanahambana ni khizile swinene kwa mi joinile. Thank you very much for joining me on Kanelo wa Gingirikani with me Mandla. Legere Gingirikani ni waka Mashava. So hey, ku heavy man. It's hectic namuntlha. Kuna timhaka to tala ngopfu leti hi faneleke hi bula hi tona lawani. Mara before maybe hi ya kule a ni ta lava ku hi vulavulanyana hi timhaka tin'wana ta ku swi tikomba mi nga ri vanhu va xinuna hinkwenu hi na mitlimbo yo hambanahambana. Ku na risimu rin'wana ri nga humesa hi Xongi Rhangani I vulavula hi joko ra mina. Munhu un'wana na un'wana ni joko ra yena. So but I just feel like vanhu va xinuna va na majoko mo tala man. And vanhu va xinuna va talangi va vulavula, they don't speak out. And then va tala ku after whatever they're dealing with, you know, they resort to the worst. Most is committing suicide or whatever. Kumbexana va dlaya munhu, kumbexana they indulge themselves ka alcohol, kumbe mabyaleni, mafolweni, swi hambanile, kumbexana ka ku jola. U vona sa jola na vanhu vo tala. So what's happening, you know, I understand ku ri vanhu va xinuna va chava ku bula man, ku vulavula hi timhaka ta vona va delanaka na tona. Vo tala they just say ku xikombiso ta swi vona rixa ri ya mahlweni, you know, a ni la ku poyeriwa njhani. I mustn't look weak. But I mean, how many times, when did you last see munhu wa xisati va ku I commit suicide? A swi talangi ne, ku tele ngopfu va ku ri vanhu lava va ti sungaka ku va ku ri vanhu va xinuna. Swi vula ku na ntlimbo lowu nga kona ka vanhu va xinuna ende a va vulavuli. A va fana na hina hi nga ta ti tarilarela ka social network hi valavala, you know. Vanhu va xinuna vanhu va xisati they can deal with a lot of emotional stuff, because emotional problems kumbe ntlimbo wa emotional lowu dyaka mbilu wa wena kumbe moya wa wena wu na khombo ku tlula leswa swa ku ma ku if you lack something you can actually just work it out kumbe get an assistance hi ndlela yo karhi. Mara swi hatla swi pfaleka, mara swa le mbilwini a swi talangi swi pfaleka ende swa vava. Vanhu vo tala va le ku dlayeni, you know. Some people result into depression and all those things. Va tele ngopfu vanhu va xinuna va nga tumbela. Va tumbela hi byala, va tumbela hi vavasati ku jola ngopfu, all those things. Ku na show yin'wana ya Makamu, very maxangu ya mjolo, you know. It's a very nice, it's a very interesting show. You guys must check it out. Oh, talking about Makamu, G1 Makamu, the man she like trending. Ni vona xi apologize namuntlha ka YouTube channel ya xona. Xi ndle video na xi like address a trend. Oh guys, before ya kule, don't forget ku nongonoko lowu wa Kanelo wa Gingirikani wu tisiwa ka n'wina hi vuseketeri bya R Funerals Insurance Services. Ya va kona Midrand to hambanahambana, you know, Soweto, Giyani, Malamulele. Loko mi va lava ma fonela ka nambara leya ya 064 947 7681 mi hlanganisa na vona ku va kota ku mi endlela ntirho wa kahle loko mi suka mi lahlekele hi va ka n'wina, ku va kota ku mi lahlela hi xiyimo xa le henhla hi tikhasikete, va tata hi timovha to durha ta mayemo, va endla ntirho wo saseka. So please join R Funerals namuntlha, nkarhi wa ha ri kona, u nga titimeli. R Funerals se yi fikile. I like that line. Okay, so G1 xi a xi ri ku apologize, a xi kombela ku rivaleriwa ka vanhu vo talo namuntlha hi mhaka ya ti-trend leta ti ri kona. Ya va xi kume va humese ti-picture ta xona xi ri na munhu un'wana wa xisati nga ri a hi nsati wa xona. So ene mani nga swi tivi me ti-picture leta ni ti vonile, mara ni nga swi teki enhlokweni because na n'wi tiva nsati wa G1 mara a ni n'wi tolovelangi hi xikandzeni. A hi munhu wa ti-social network loyi, a hi munhu wa ku nga zi i n'wi recognize xikandzeni. So a ni hleta ku nsati wa yena loko wena so the pictures trending khale nampundzu. So mara naswona kha man ti le ku sheriweni ti-picture letiwa. Se ku investigate a ti kuma ku no man I nga ri munhu we le tlhelo, you know, maxangu ya mjolo se ma vuya kaya. G1 yeah. So she apologized. So ka video leyi xi apologize G1. She apologized hi mhaka ku ri ku va ti-picture ti humele handle, you know. He apologized more on that. Ku va ti-picture ti humele handle and then he apologized ka munhu loyi a nga humesa ti-picture, which was very interesting. I felt like G1 took his dignity back by apologizing immediately, you know. Na swi tiva ku ri hina va xinuna hi kahle ngopfu ku hatla hi apologize loko hi onini, which is a good thing, you know. But the question is, after apologizing, what is the next step, you know? I mean, hi vone ka the artist Xitsonga. The reason I'm talking about G1 because he's an artist, he artist Xitsonga, right? Ka music. Even Xongi Rhangani was also involved ka swilo swo fana sweswiyani, you know, swa ku va na tihoyi ta ku va ku ri na a side person, you know, ku gina nga ri va hambanini na Prince Rhangani and all those things. So xin'wana xi commenta xo ku hey, ya mani leya ya nkata G1 yi na like ku at least G1 xi tikuma ri xa ha ri committed, xa ha ri kona, xi tsutsumanga. So hey, a ka tika mjolweni maxanga mjolo. That's why mina ni veni ku hey, wona mhaka mjolo ni yimenyana hi yona. Hi guys, mjolo kahle hle u ta hi dlaya. Never. Mjolo. Yeah, u ta hi dlaya mjolo. I'm not happy about mjolo. So yeah, kuba G1 apologizing, it was a good strategy for him, you know, and also for his brand. Mara, the question is, you know, the way he apologized, I just felt like he apologized more to the girl or the side person or the person whom he said is hurt, you know. Apologized me. So G1 did actually clarify ku ivulavurina mani ile kaya ku va swilunghisini. That's why mina ani rhandzi vulavula hi timhaka ta vanhu. Because na mina ta mina guys, loko ta hina to posta timhaka. Nani ta hina, that's why mina ni swi rhandzi ku vulavula ku timhaka ta vanhu lawani. Mani ndle yini, mani a nga wrong. I don't think game. Timhaka ta mjolo ta vanhu nga think game. So n'wina ma swi tiva ku humeleni laha. So yeah, I just felt like G1 was genuine. He owned up to his mistakes. Na apologize na yi tikomba yi tshembisa. A ni swi tivi ku vhele G1 phela I munhu wo actor. A hi swi tivi ku ri a ku actiwa laha kumbe njhani na. Futhi hambi loko ni vona picture mani hleta ku maybe i Mafenya Brothers yi la ku humesa a new story wona. Mara ku na ti-trend leti nga kona vanhu va le ku hleka va mandla ti-jokes leswi humelela. Ku na risimu rin'wana ri hlamula leswi a swi humelela. Ni vona swilo swa right ni tlela munhu wa wrong. Se na tiko ri ni vonana. Va ri timhaka ta vanhu ni ti rhandza ngopfu. Ene a hi vanhu ni makhelwani. Hambi wo jola kahle u ringeta ku tumbela. Ntiyiso ta tiveka. Ku risimu leriya ri yelana na leswi nga humelela. And the rimbelela hi G1. I mean, if you want to see the apology G1 was trending because of the pictures that girlfriend and nothing leaker on social media, and then he apologized to his wife and the girlfriend, and also who else? He apologized to 3 people. I forgot the other one. Whether it was us who are or talking about it, I don't know. But I don't think why would G1 apologize to people like social media. But social media, you know how it is. If you if kunale show beer, umenislang teka nga swi bihi swi nga ku humelela. Swi hatla swi tsutsuma fast, you know. Ku tlula leswa kahle. I mean, swi tele ngopfu leswi nga humelela G1 swa kahle, mara nobody spoke about it. Mara leswa swa mjolo, hey, swi tsutsuma fast. Mjolo tsutsuma fast. Hey, guys. Mara I just felt like his apology was genuine. But I just don't know if it was an act or it was real. After now, what's next? You know? Yeah, I don't know. I just didn't believe some of the things, but yeah, he looked very genuine. G1 sul Makamu. Hey, yeah, shine the man. Trend as you can. Later video you could ne apologize. I got trend. I'm addressing the trend. Anyway, so. Kuna makale okay ntawula Mapele late guys mntani khomela. I said I want to talk about Mapele kankanela again mara because Mapele said something about me ka Facebook ya yena and ena the followers to tala, so no kuma screenshot ntsena mara ku vanhu beteyini lava ka comment a ni swi vonangi. So I also want to clarify myself because Mapele ina defense phela ina vanhu lava va n'wi landzelelaka, so ni ta vulavula hi swona later before ni famba. Mara an la ku vulavula ku kuna picture yin'wana yi nga humelela ya Mafamba a kha a ri na Hlawusikiza, and people were like, hey, Mafamba and Hlawusikiza ku humelela, are they working together, what's happening? U suka ka team Shirimani kumbe njhani? And then Mina, I went and laughed, and and then I made a call, and then I got a confirmation. No, actually, picture lani yona vele ari ile studio sha hlawu sikiza munhu a tirhaka na bini wa hingani. So vele ku endleni ka single is a slow jam kind of single. Vitra single ya kona very two ku xindichana kumbe va n'wi tsona xindichana a ni swi tivi xindichana va vula minyikelo kumbe va vula masangu. I used to that's ngomeni loko yi huma. It's a slow jam yi ta Mafamba na hlavu sikiza. It's a slow jam yi nga ta humelela. It's a single I'm very ta humelela rini a ni swi tivi yi ta huma nga ri khale. Yeah. So leswi an la ku vula leswona swa Mafamba. Mara kuna mfana wun'wana very Shaun Makhasa, man. I want to talk about him nyana before Mafamba. He's a YouTuber, but now he's becoming an actor. He once came to Kanula Gingirikani. Ntamini vana yena ka van, numuteka ina talenta man. Tana ka van ita bati jokes and she's kahle. Nisho vona se humile ka Mzansi Magic, ne ka Talent of Blood. Man, kudos to Shaun Makhasa. It's good to see those kind of people who once graced our presence, doing it, making it there out there. Before I'm trend the picture, Shaun, hope I am congratulate. Before the screenshot, guys, look, screenshot Shamina show money la handle. And I mean, come on, we speak to people all the time. Na Makamu jolo ile kutikeni. So logo mutsuka mimi screenshot Shamina mikuma kunile kutizama zamelin katilaki na mina. Hi, nikombela kumini rivalela in advance. Nige sikotu kuyatama kufana G1 apologize to the nation. I'm apologizing in advance because I know nara mina sikurata la so mina swinga ta trenda. So loko swi trenda it's fine. Maybe mingani sherele mingani byeli. Mingani xwa xa xivutisa xo kahle ti picture leti a ti teka hi mani. Swin'wana swi ku swi nge endleki a kha khomisiwa nyoka loko va heta ku teka picture leti a hi swi tivi. Yeah, so loko ti picture to humelela ti trenda ni kombela ku hayi mi fikisa swiyani mi nga ni byeli. It's fine, I apologize because na mina siku rin'wana ra mirada a swi kahle ku hi hlekahlekani loko swilo swo fanele swi swi humelerile because a wu swi tivi ku ra wena siku ri fika rini. So yeah, I mean, but it was just fun to see people making fun of the situation ya so Makamu G1, you know. No, because I felt like it was just interesting ku G1 has a show ya mashangu ya mjolo, and then there's that song that I just played you, and then this happens. So it's like, okay, shot komba ku ri laptop kahle munhu un'wana na un'wana, nobody is safe kahle. No one is safe. Hinkwenu kahle xin'wana xiyimo xin'wana na xin'wana xi ngo hi fikela anytime. So a swi kahle ku hi hlekana. Yeah. What did I want to say about this thing? So besides Shaun Makhasa. Shaun Makhasa is gone. I feel like he can make a good actor logo, or if he can fine-tune his acting. I mean, he came and do an interview. I once showed some of his videos before I got the Talent of Blood, some Mzansi Magic drama that he's doing there. So it's good, man. It's good. It's kudos. Actually, that's why we had Gingirikani, man. Because I'm sorry if I Mandla. Kuna issue ku Soshwani hina kuna ku undermine ka the artists. I feel like strong artists, they undermining YouTubers right now. It's a big crisis. Okay, for example, kumita album total ne miswonu analyzing and chum. Despite the fact that I was just busy, I just also didn't have a huge interest in analyzing those things because I realized if I become honest about my observation, the chances are going to ruketeriwa, ni biwa, ni bifiwa, you know, ruketeriwa, the artist, and I just feel like it's not fair, man. South Africa, kuna milawu leyi yi protecta the opinion ta vanhu. People should have an opinion about an art. Because mesela art ya wena hand, you are ready for criticism, you're also ready for congratulations. So why kurna kulwa loko vanhu va express views ta vona about your artwork? Because that's how it is. I mean, the reason you put your art out there is for people to actually analyze it. You know, mara I saw kuna ku undermine, you know, YouTubers ta Xitsonga they're under attack right now from artists, which is it's sad, man. Kubona could not be bifana because of what I said on Kanola Gingirikani. You know, I mean, look at what Mapele is doing right now. You know, Mapele is busy with me. You know, I'll talk about Mapele after Xongi. So Xongi Rhangani say album me woni in between very abala banga ito. Namna itwin kwa tsime mpela kolani. Ni bela beside the title track kuna similar perin 140 simra ranko kango phuke ndar kumala ha fast. Where's Xongi music Jokora Tom. This is the title track ne. I don't want that. Okay, yeah. So besides Shisaizani, which is my favorite kawan votala, mentwen billers similar baritana kuku in Ngatiafsiwan, and then I once did a video on Facebook nuku similar deserve a lead guitar. You know, kufana sumurenga umesa Ibra Joshirman ringana lead guitar. Itangwa in a modern way. Itangwa ishi tradition. Itangwa in a more of a modern way. Similar Ngatiafsiwana deserves that kind of an emotional guitar, as just to give it a bit of a, you know, an upliftment, and also to make the song, a little different, because the instrument that they tlangwa la tlangwe mambaulele tsimta ko ngari tlangwe taftaelana so yeah, it's like it's fana swile. Also loko yingsela album ya mambaulele album ya Xongi yelana album mambaulele, we understand because you tlangwe ka mambaulele album ya Xongi, so it makes sense. Really, we have to give credit where it's due. Album ya Xongi ya pa hindlela le ya ku leswi anga swi endla Xongi, it's not what we expected. Man expected ku itafika a flop, but he didn't flop. You know, album yena yi twala kahle in terms of songwriting. Songwriting is up to the levels, man. Even though kugega gigwa vanhu la ni kufana simela ra Maseve, we know ku Xongi gega the new wife or new girlfriend Prince Rhangani. We also know ku Shisaizani Xongi gega Prince Rhangani laani. And then kuna remix, you know, and then ile ku titsanzeni ku ka kufana simela ra very and the cover myself nzorila kutsandzeni kure even though ilava kunmenyula animenyuleki, you know, ni tiengufu awuntivi, you know, that kind of utterances ka karismirwan, meaning ya rona yelana ku ajelo angai helo, cause Xongi wati vitana kuyena Xongi nkatarangi loko cheka ti social networks ta yena, so swa tikomba ku ri Xongi byele ku yana nga yelo a hi swi tivi ku ri va tshamini va ri two na the new wife ya Prince Rhangani kumbe njhani. We don't even want to go there, but I just felt like that song ya Ngatiafsiwana deserves the guitar. But it's a very good album, well balanced in terms of engineering, sound engineering. It's good. Raingiseleka arina kufaritwa rina swin'wana distortion, you know, swi balansiwe kahle, swi chayiwe kahle swa Xongi. Voko leri nga chaya album leya ri tiyile kahle rina music as well. Ku even though kuna kun'wana vele Xongi wa tiva ti limitations ta yena when it comes to the singing part. Astiva ku Xongi Rhangani anga nikiwangi loko swi ta ku yimbelela, mara she is making use of her voice in the way it is, and it works. Anga bokoloke anga joy kuna ku adoa kuna, you know, just that some notes anga tifikeleli. That one we can hear in the album, some of the notes anga tifikeleli. Wanguta ila ku imbela heavy eritla ro chema ra xisati kuma ku rifika ri haka, mara it's a very good album honestly speaking. Album ya ku ya yingiseleka na ti-music ta kona ti kahle, even though kuna leswi swa ti-beef, mara the interesting part ku Xongi i vulavule hi ku yena loko andla music anga endleli ku music wena wu ciniwa, mara ka album leyiwani I feel like album leyi ya fita ku yi chayiwa atithavhene ku cinaciniwa yona ni ku kuma tikhomba hi yona, and that's what Xongi said ku music wa yena a nga wu endleli ku kuma tikhomba mara mina ni twi nga ri album ya Xongi yi nga humesa tikhomba. Ku na tinsimu leti ti tlangiwaka ti nga cineka, you know, ta cineka tinsimu ta kahle ti xaviwe kahle. Yeah, I just feel like, yeah, she actually surprised many. Hey? Xongi surprised a lot of people ka album leyiwani. And then loko ni ta ka songwriting ni twi nga ri kumbe ni nga va ni wrong guys loko no vutisa ku isn't it Xongi the ghostwriter? A ku nga ri ghostwriter ya Prince Rhangani. A ni swi tivi mara because the songwriting is too much. Xongi can write. Wona loko u teka ti-lyrics ta music wa Xongi u nga wu hlaya as a poem, as if i xiphato. So ngazi ku it's a poem or something. I tsala kahle man. Ku vele ku na ti-struggles ta ku kuma the right hook. Leya swa ku kuma ku is the most interesting part ya risimu. There I just feel like the album is lacking in terms of finding hooks for all the songs. And also it's something I said ka video one nga endla ka Facebook. The way Xongi has invested ka this album, it's like this album Mali. I think it was the first album. She did very well album. It even nama full logo and the album Xongi in terms of songwriting, even the delivery, you know. It sounds good, man. What wala kuna the emotions little to drive a certain kind of message. And it's interesting kuri swi hitisa ka point leya ku himpela hi swona leswi va swi vulaka lava va nga dyondzela swa psychology na ti-philosophy ku ri loko munhu a endla xilo ku ri na ti-emotions involved swi endla xilo lexiyani xi va too good because there's emotions invested there kumbe xi va too bad. But in this case swa Xongi is too good because ku na ti-emotions. I mean vanhu vo tala va ku okay i ta swi kota na ku nga na Rhangani na i ta swi kota na himpela luwa Xongi album ya yi kahle vanhu va vele ku yi landzeleli ve ku yingiseleni loko va cheka ka YouTube ti-views ta kona ti le henhla vanhu va le ku swi landzeleleni swilo swa Xongi. And ni twa ni la ku nyika credit ka risimu leri ra xisayizani because hi rona ri nga endla ni nga promota album because vanhu va lava ku tiva ku ri kasi xisayizani ku vuliwa yini, ku vuliwa Prince Rhangani kumbe ku vuliwa yini, ku vuliwa mani nakona leswi hi leri nge te yini vanhu va va na interest ya ku la ku twa ku ri ku vuliwa yini la a hi swi tivi ku vuliwa yini. You can go and listen to the song kona ka ti-iTunes na ti-Spotify, and it was a good strategy by Xongi ku va a release album ya yena hi soft copy rather than hard copy loro a nga endli CD a endle ku swi huma online. This is what I once preached khale ka nkanelo Gingirikani ku vanhu va Xitsongo kasi wa mi nga humesi music online vanhu va Xikwembu. So Xongi Rhangani, kudos to that for realizing ku ri imagine Xongi yi meti khonini kha ku hey vele Mamelodi mi ta fonela nambara leyi ve tshembisile na guys swa xikhale leswiya music home online guys. Even though vanhu vele va pirate swa fana man, just put your music online but ta va yingisela online, you know, they can download the songs ba stream and all those things. So it's good. Kudos to Xongi. And swa tikomba ku ri ango va ka music ngopfu hi mhaka ku va ku a tekiwe hi kumbe a ri na vudyelwana na Prince Rhangani who is a music producer. Swa tikomba ku ri yena vele music wu kona ka yena ku ngo va maybe not too much into singing mara into songwriting ya Xongi. I mean loko for example loko wo cheka album leya yena ya hola ku mbamba ne, that song hola ku mbamba it's written very well. Jazz Rama 7 niri na vele Jazz Rama is one of the songs, Nyonga Mali is one of the big songs, you know. So loko cheka songwriting ya Xongi Rhangani, wow, I just feel like she's underrated in terms of songwriting. Yeah, she's underrated. We know Xongi anga swi koti ku yimbelela in terms of reaching those high notes, but she can stay within a range and delivers, you know. Mara songwriting, Xongi Rhangani, kudos. For me, if I could not the percentage that songwriting ka Xongi, I think above 90% in terms of songwriting. The reason I'm not 100% is because the hook she couldn't find the right hooks for all her most of her songs ka album leyi, and I feel like that was the setback ya album kube na kumbe line leya yo tsakisa vanhu yo nyanyula vanhu ka risimu hinkwaro wa swi twisisa. Ku fana na line leya nga yi tirhisa ka nyonga ya mali, that was a nice, kube na nice hook la. Even now ola kumbamba, you know, humbamba humbamba you know, it was a hook, mara, you know, mara her songwriting 100, mas hat hook ngari she still need to grow, she still need to learn. Yeah. Angala tsamanguka Xongi Rhangani, because I would have loved ku vani tlanga tinsimu leti vele ni tingisela hinkwenu ni vulavula ku risimu lero njhani for each song, but because kuna this thing swi nga kona swa ku loko no ndla leswiyani ni ta va se ni kha ni infringe ti-copyright ta vanhu. Some have actually sent me copyright strikes or whatever ku va ni analyze ti-video ta vona ta Xitsonga. So the limitation leti nga kona se ni mhaka ku se ku na ti-copyright strikes so channel ya hina yi nga zi yi famba hi mhaka ya ku va yi fela ku lava ku tlanga music wa vanhu. So and there's no way you can even get permissions. You can try by all means, you cannot, because there's so many people involved. You can speak to the artist, mara kuma artist anga pfumelelana na lava va nga khoma ti rights kumbe lava the publishers na tini kumbe the record labels ta vona tona they still want to hold on to the rights. So kuma mina I still have to suffer, the channel can go. So it's not like kuma ku ni menyana ku, and this is one of the albums lenda lava ku ni hlela kan china la studio mara anyway. So I just feel like, yeah, kudos to Xongi Rhangani. I'll give this album. Whew. Okay, let me see before I read the album. Whew. Yeah. I just think my favor. Every similar me favor. Go like album Xongi. Kuna vamaseve. Ile beef ringa before ku Mandla lo afamba kuna Prince Rhangani sweswi. Kumbexani xi sayizani mina ni fambi na swona maybe vamaseve remix yi chayiwini kutani ri singa ri famba na mambawulele mara na rona I'm not happy about that song. For me, the song that speaks to me, because maybe it's more spiritual song, because ri na ku involve vakokwani, you know, ku va ni lwela, you know, all those things. Ku ri leswi swi nga n'wi humelela Xongi kumbe situation leyi nga n'wi humelela, maybe she's not talking about herself but she's telling a story of someone else. Ximunhu hatwa lexiya leswi swi nga humelela ximunhu hatwa i ku va mikwembu ya ka vona yi n'wi lwelini loko yingisela simle track number 7 leri nga ti afisiwana ku ri ximunhu hatwa lexiya a xi tshame na munhu loyi a nga na ngati ya vusiwana, ende ngati ya vusiwana hambi munhu wo la ku n'wi zama hi nyama hi ta lava guxe so ku ri mikwembu ya ka vona yi n'wi vulavulerini yi n'wi susa ka xiyimo lexiya xo biha ri ka xona. And also I found it very interesting ku tirhisa the color leta timbirhi a nga tirhisa ka cover ya yena. It's very interesting because kocha kuna red and there's blue and there's white. La le hansi she's almost like she's moving away from the red to the blue which represents peace, and then the white in the middle to represent holiness, which is like I'm not guilty of whatever happened, and then the red is the situation that she's from or that she's still in, if she, you know, she hasn't moved on from that. So it was very interesting to see the color usage, that blue, red and white. Interesting stuff. So I just find it's interesting. But I mean, album length I think 7.5. Yes, I will give it 7.5. Look, I could to hook I will give it an 8. But I'll give this album 7.5 for songwriting, and also the fact that yeah, it's good that she responded in the music, in the album, whatever people wanted to hear, even though probably it's not the full story. But logo at that +1 +2, you can get an answer most of the time. Yeah, it's one of the Xongi Rhangani. Yeah, well done Xongi Rhangani for me stream my album Xongi Kona. Why don't album letu one? Yeah, I mean ku Messi, I see Machiavelli, Mfuno Matsubuki, psychology, who else? Western Gimeti. va humese taba matele vanhu mara vo tala vanhu lava va tirha na ti-tiktokers ti-tiktok influencers va hakela timali ku va promotela music wa vona so ni nghenelela kwini I mean my point is if you can pay a TikToker it means you should be able to pay a YouTuber for an interview or for promotion. I mean phela swilo swi YouTubers this is what people don't understand. The YouTubers, there's a difference between TikTokers and YouTubers. Yeah, TikTokers will give you the song maybe in the album ring trend that then you can get gigs. Ne? TikTokers can give you gigs. Ne? Gigs, like you can be booked for festivals, concerts and all those things. Mara YouTubers, because they go deep into analysis of your music and finding things, you get fans, you get supporters, you know, you get new supporters, like real supporters who actually will follow your music, will also follow your career religiously. Got the YouTubers, because they actually have the time to go into these things. Mara got the TikTokers, I mean, kudos to them. I mean, I'm not saying people shouldn't advertise with TikTokers. I'm just saying, if you can pay TikTokers, clearly you also have the money to pay YouTubers, you know. So I just felt like I can't be used. So I'm like, Facebook. The trend Facebook. Okay, Mapele before Mafamba. I said I won't talk about him. This probably is the last time, guys. Mapele foot and come Mapele, he posted picture of me na nirna no I sang a simple kitchen. So this weekend, past weekend, Mapele are performing a simple kitchen. Afambela madness. So mina ni venia a simple kitchen tani masiku ntala ko ngasa kona. So ni alan kuma go kikino Mapele. Mara honestly speaking, outside it was empty. Angatalang bana bangatang batabona Mapele. I don't know why, because a simple kitchen is not tell. Mara this samara ngatalang. Well, inside yes hakuna banyana. Then he performed and everything, and loko mina selfika ka la a simple kitchen. One of his crews recognized me. Then iteka mina afkanu kokokoko I found le ka the VIP. Yeah, share with them Mapele. Look, oh, no problem. I found bed. So I could follow me. So in farm mina nungulande. Logo fika la. Immediately babona msisi umelela. Siba ndibona balaba ka the VIP batlakuka bayima. Crew ya Mapele kwa itlakuka yima ila kutaka the picture na Mandla Gingirikani. Kuba na layeni vanhu va teka picture na mina. So na Mapele na yena a swi vona a ni swi tivi yo jealous na yena. He had to swallow his pride and also line up for a picture na mina. Ina yona selfie leya teka. Maybe ange yubisi mara wa swi tiva Mapele ku I teke selfie na mina ene ikona ka phone ya yena. Hambo I delete mara I tekini selfie na mina. La probably behind us who saw us probably they saw everything. So alla vulagula swaku Mapele a hemba ku mina ni yini le ni ku nikombela ku Mapele unblock kanja that mavunwa swile. So that's complete trash. Wa swi tiva yena Mapele ku ri andzangi ni vulavula hi swimhaka ta ku to mina nikombela ku unblockiwa one fan a nikombela ku unblock Mapele mina Mapele helele juice we all know anga Mapele helele helelini hola ma ku munhu helele Mapele iyo helela guys. He tried everything as train and the social electors Mandla Gingirikani because of staku vitura Mandla Gingirikani rina mali rina capital. Look vulavula hi Mandla Gingirikani was tiva ku swona swi ta tlakuka. So angana choice that's why kuma Zuma kan posta ka Facebook ta yena is because was tiva ku loko a za vulavula hi mina swena swa trend ku va some people talking about him even mina tata ni ta vulavula yena. But I just want to clear the air ku aniyangi ni apologize. Anyangi na kombela kuteka picture na yena nga teka picture na mina I take picture nuku ya vele I take picture it's fine and then he took the picture yena she phone ya yena. So it wasn't even one picture, so many pictures. Even his crew, I mean, like I said, kure album ya Mapele, the cover is good, beautiful. The only thing about the cover is the fact that madness. Like she was there, she likes me. She came and say hi. We took pictures. We were speaking, you know, very well. So even lava kuma go crew ya na mina yantsakela. So and the kuma kuna ina angana choice so bo antsakela. You know, because the energy leading around is a positive energy, you know. So what's for Mapele? Karena is God, man. He's trying to use my name to push his stuff. Nah, man. Nah. He must stop it. Mimjala Mapele, me unblock. Anzangi kumla kuvaleriwa kumshari ku unblockiwa. Mina nzangi. Mina no tirela live after avata take a picture na mina. That's it. So, yeah, legere mina. Ngalo kumingarivala kunongonoko lo tisa kongona hi sector jo R funerals lo mhlana wona please join R funerals namuntlha please join R funerals namuntlha ka number leya 0649477681 masela zaku ungatitimeli nongoloko lo wela kwa namuntlha ni khani ku shamina G1 Soli Makamu hi mashangu ya mjolo I apologize sorry what am I jita karat? She's a stuck on the last sorry. Guys, come on. Salute, big tip to